So I'm Adam, and this is going to be my bike check. So I'm going to tell you what parts I have and why I like them. Enjoy. So this is the bike that I currently ride. It is a fully custom bike. So it's BMX obviously. And to start off, these are ODI grips. Pretty good. I don't have a problem with them usually. They're starting to wear a little bit, but that's obviously what happens with grips. And next, these are We the People Mad Max bars. They are 9.5 rise, and I put my own sticker right there because I thought it looked really cool. So I like these bars. I like the how they're sway back. They're I don't know exactly what they are, but they're good. This is a Sabrosa stem. It's very good. I found it the first time that I rode it. It was very. I found that I could do manuals very nicely. So it's very good. This is my fork. It is a Salt Plus fork. It is actually off the We the People Trust 2011. Very good bike, very good model, very good forks. They've lasted me 4 years now. And this is there. It's also the Salt Plus peg. Came with the We the People Trust 2011, which I bought in 2000 and I think it was 12 or 13. And this is a G Sport hub guard. It works very well for me. Haven't got my spokes broken, so I'm very happy with it. And this is also an E-Clat tripping rim. Very good. It is double walled. Haven't had it bend on me. The only thing I don't like about it, you notice it's a little bit of a hop, but that happens if you land two nose heavy on something. So the rim I'm currently riding is an E-Clat tripping rim. It is off of the 2012 We the People. It was not my bike. Mine was 2011. My buddy had a 2012. We swapped some parts. And the hub is a Salt Plus hub with female bolts. I love it. Like these hubs like off the We the People bike are just really good. I like them. Also my headset right here. This is I don't know if you can see that. This is a Salt Plus headset. I haven't had any problems with it. It's really good. My frame is an S&M BTM frame. Very nice. It's like a wrought out chrome. Sorry, it's a wrought out red. So also my bars are wrought out red. Really nice. So you can like see the welds inside there. See those welds. Very pretty. Looks really nice when you're riding on the road. I really do like it. It really adds to the aesthetics of my bike. Also, one thing that I noticed with this frame is that it's very strong. I haven't broken it, I haven't had any cracks. It's very good. So moving on, my pedals, they are Shadow Conspiracy. They are orange, and they're from my old bike. I had red demolition pedals, but I kind of just really liked shadow parts, and so I just decided to keep these shadow pedals on it. Whether or not it made my bike look good, I just like the feeling of them. These are Salt Plus cranks, very nice. I do like the way they feel. I had red Salt Plus cranks, which are from the 2012 We the People bike, but these cranks are from the 2011 We the People bike, and I do like them more because they're a little bit longer than the ones off of the 2012 We the People Trust. So I do like these cranks. This is my Shadow Conspiracy Serpent sprocket, very aesthetically pleasing. I do very much like it. It's very cool. And I think that, I don't know, rides very well. Love the color. It's chrome tie-dye. My chain, I have no idea what company it is. My buddy Max, he gave it to me. I bought it off him. And yeah, it's just a good chain in general. I do like it. It's also, I have it upside down. I don't know. I didn't really know that until someone told me. But honestly, I have not noticed anything. Like, there's like no difference. My front tire is a pitch raw I believe it is. I have no idea what company it is. It's a Salt. It's a Salt tire, pitch rod. I've had this tire for 3 years. Very good. I haven't had any problems. And the thread's starting to go a little bit. As you can see, the thread's kind of starting to go. But I think it's still going to do me well. Next is my seat. It is a Wheelie Wheel Trust. It is pretty friggin' worn. It's broken. I don't care. It's I don't know. It's the first seat I ever got. You can see like the foot mark, like the where my foot would go when I stopped my bike. Right there. It's kind of fucking. It looks kind of weird, but who cares? It does the job. I do like it. My my rear tire is an Animal GLH tire. It is 110 psi, and I find that it's very good. I like it. The tire hard. Treads are pretty nice. So I'm really happy with that. Rear hub. I have no idea what this is. I just traded my bike for a free coaster, and I traded the free coaster for a rear wheel, this tire, and a stem, which I was probably not riding. But yeah, it was a lot. It's very loud. If you can hear that, it's quite loud. I do like it. It's very good. And my rear rim is a Odyssey 7K double walled rim, very strong. I have not had one spoke break. On my old rear rim, which was a Alienation plain black rim, I had broken at least 12 spokes, which I replaced with silver spokes just for the heck of it. So yeah, this rim is doing me very good. And I have a grenade as a tire count. I think it's pretty cool. You can see my first BGM, I said, and my rear peg is the same. It's Salt. So yeah, and my first sticker on here is a GoPro sticker. I do like sticker blasting my bikes. I think it's really cool. Gives your bike a story, sort of thing. And yeah. So one thing that I don't know if many people know about my bike is that I got all of these parts used. So this frame was used, all the rim was used, the tire. Well, the tire got brand new. The craft sprocket I got brand new, and the pedal I got brand new. Everything else was all used parts I got off people. So this bike is very good. I love it because I did not have to spend a lot of money on it, and it also looks very pretty, and I like it. So this is my bike check, and if you want to see more videos like this, let me know. I'll think about it. I'm going to do more how-tos and other sort of style videos. But until then, this is Apoca Wolf, and I'll see you guys next time. I don't really know when I'm going to film the next video, so it's always on the fly. And yeah, so see you guys in a bit.